Welcome to the project demonstration of solar wireless EV charging system. So the main application of this project is we are going to transfer the power through wireless technology, that is a mutual induction concept based. And the purpose of this project is like when we are transferring the wireless power, there is a main key to charge a battery. Means when we are transferring the power, so that can be stored in the other side and that can be used for alternate purpose. So now in our project we are going to transferring the power to charge electrical vehicle. So here we indicated the LED through the wireless power transfer successfully done, and here in real time this can be used for battery charging purpose. So here the main use of that purpose is like in generally if you want to charge a electrical vehicle or if you want to refuel any vehicle, then we need to get down from the car and we need to do the process and again we get to the car. Sometimes it's not safety for everyone. So in order to eliminate that feature and also in order to remove the short circuit occurred and fire accidents, then we kept this wireless technology. Then there is no contact while we are charging a battery from primary to the secondary coil. So the mutual induction concept plays a major role here. So whenever we are providing the DC battery power supply to the circuits, so which will convert the DC to AC, as only AC can produce the EMF, and that AC signal is input to this copper coil which is acting as a primary coil. So when the EMF is generated around this copper coil, when we place the secondary coil in the region of this EMF generated coil, then the secondary coil will get induced and that induced signal is converted into the DC with the help of this circuit, and the DC is output to the relay indication. Based on the battery and required voltage, we can increase the number of turns and we can increase the boost voltage also at the secondary end. So when we are using the battery pack here, so which can be rechargeable, so we can charge a battery using the solar panel as well as the grid. Whenever the sunlight is not available, we can charge this battery pack with help of this grid, and the sunlight is available, we can charge the battery from this solar panel. We are using 12 volt 3 watt solar panel. So just if you want to charge a battery from the grid, just on the power supply to the transformer, the light will be indicated, the battery is charging. So it will get fully charged in a duration of 4 hours. Till the duration we should keep the battery under full charge before demonstration of the project. Here after the time completion, automatically the circuit will stop the current flow to protect the battery from overcharging, and either from the solar panel or the transformer, the battery will get full charge in a duration of 4 hours. And when we are getting this both at a time, means sunlight is available from the solar panel and the grid also available, then the battery charging time will be the off time, around 1.5 hour to 2 hours only the battery will get full charged. That can be utilized for the wireless power transmission purpose. So let us see the demonstration. So as we said, when we on this, below is the on, above is the off. So when you on the system, then 120 kilohertz of frequency will be generated, and that frequency is nothing but the AC signal around the copper coil. So whenever secondary coil coming on this one, then automatically it will get induced and will provide the output power as a DC after the circuit. Here the AC only, because when we are transferring the power from primary to secondary, there is no change of frequency, because when we 120 kilohertz of frequency is generated and transmitted to this primary coil, when it get induced, same 120 kilohertz of frequency can be done here because the AC signal only. So that will be converted into the DC, and from there with the help of the resistor we are placing the resistor for the current limiting purpose and output is a DC load. So here when it is coming again on, right. So here the battery rating is 12 volt 1 amp, 12 volt 3 watts and 12 volts AC 1 amp transformer we are using. Thank you. So just after placing on the transmitter coil, you can off this as indication of we have off the transmitter module. Otherwise the battery drains very rapidly. Thank you.